Welcome back to my coverage of the Waves Fitness and Aquatic Centre redevelopment. In this episode, I'll cover the progress being made on redeveloping the rose gardens adjacent to Waves. This is episode 30, recorded on Friday the 3rd of March 2023. That's 1 month and 1 day since my last episode. This video has chapters, so you can skip ahead if you want to. Coming up, you'll see a drone flyover of the gardens and a side-by-side comparison with my last drone flyover where I point out the changes. I'll be uploading a new episode every 4 weeks or so until the rose garden renovation is completed. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll get notifications when I upload new videos. Now on with the 2-minute drone flyover, followed by a 2-minute side-by-side comparison. Okay, now we're looking at the side-by-side comparison. You won't see any changes until the last 20 seconds. I'll pause the video at the end and go through the changes. This is the only section where I can see any changes. You'll see in this top area, irrigation piping is being laid and rose bushes are being planted, as is the case here, here, and also here. A roundabout has been prepared here with an exit onto the street and joining the existing service road. In the middle of the roundabout, I have no idea what's going to be in here. Should be interesting to follow in the episode next month. And that's it. I'll be back in about 4 weeks with my next episode.